Do you ever feel like decisions, both big and small, are draining your energy? From choosing what to eat to planning major life changes, decision fatigue can make even the simplest tasks feel overwhelming. But what if you could simplify your life and approach decisions with clarity and confidence? Today, I'll share science-backed strategies to help you free up mental energy and focus on what truly matters. Let's start with why decision fatigue happens. Every day, we make countless choices, from answering emails to deciding what to wear, and each one drains our mental reserves. That's why, by the end of the day, even figuring out what to have for dinner can feel like a monumental task. The key to simplifying your life is to reduce unnecessary decisions so you can save your energy for what really matters. Step 1. Automate the small stuff. Start by simplifying recurring decisions. For instance, instead of debating what to have for breakfast each morning, choose 2 or 3 go-to options and rotate them throughout the week. The same goes for your wardrobe. Create a capsule collection of outfits you love and feel confident in. Automating these small choices clears mental clutter and helps you focus on more meaningful decisions. Here's an example. If meal planning feels like a constant battle, try creating a weekly menu template. Assign a theme to each day, like pasta night, salad night, or leftovers, and stick to it. This not only reduces decision making, but also makes grocery shopping easier. Step 2. Use your peak energy for high stakes decisions. Did you know that your brain works best in the morning when your energy is highest? Research shows that we're more likely to make thoughtful, effective decisions when our minds are fresh. Take advantage of this by scheduling important tasks, like planning a project or making financial decisions early in the day. Think about one decision you've been procrastinating on. Maybe it's something like deciding on a career change, booking a long overdue appointment, or addressing an ongoing challenge. Block out time tomorrow morning to tackle it head on when your mental energy is at its peak. Step 3. Set boundaries around decision making. Sometimes simplifying life isn't about making better decisions, it's about making fewer decisions. One effective way to do this is by setting clear boundaries. For example, if constant notifications are pulling you away from what matters, turn off non-essential alerts or set specific times to check your phone and emails. This creates space for uninterrupted focus and reduces the mental toll of switching between tasks. Another boundary setting tip is to create decision-free zones. For instance, designate certain evenings as no decision time, where you stick to pre-planned routines like ordering takeout or watching your favorite show. This frees up mental bandwidth for other areas of your life. Step 4. Declutter your environment. Your physical space can either support or sabotage your ability to make decisions. A cluttered desk, for example, can create mental noise that makes it harder to focus. Spend 10 minutes clearing your workspace, put away papers, organize supplies, and remove distractions. Creating a clean, calm environment helps your brain focus on the decisions at hand. Here's a quick exercise. Before starting your next important task, take a moment to tidy the area around you. Notice how it feels to work in a space that's organized and intentional. This small change can have a big impact on your mental clarity. Step 5. Trust your intuition. Not every decision needs hours of analysis. Sometimes your gut instinct can guide you better than overthinking. If you're faced with a choice that feels overwhelming, pause and ask yourself, what feels right in this moment? Trusting your intuition can save time and reduce the stress of second guessing. For example, if you're choosing between 2 opportunities, take a moment to reflect on which aligns most with your values and long-term goals. Often, your first instinct points you in the right direction. Step 6. Reflect and learn. Finally, give yourself permission to learn from past decisions. Not every choice will be perfect, and that's okay. Reflecting on what worked and what didn't helps you refine your decision-making process over time. Remember, simplifying your life is a journey, not a destination. Now, let's reflect. What's one decision that's been weighing on you lately? Whether it's something small, like organizing your day, or something bigger, like planning a career move, Think about how you can apply these strategies to simplify it. Write it down, take one small action today, and see how it feels to create space for clarity and confidence. If this helped you, make sure to like this video and subscribe to Living in Gold for more tips on simplifying your life and finding balance. I'd love to hear from you. Share your story in the comments, and let's support each other on this journey.